Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing a tutorial on how I achieve these Faux Locs. I did these today for the first time and I must say I really like them and they turned out exactly how I wanted them to turn out. So I'm now going to share with you how I got it done. So first of all, I want to tell you all the tools that you need to have before you start doing this hair style. So first I used in my hair expression braids to plait my hair. And then what I used to wrap the hair was the passion twist. You guys can use free tress water wave or Lulu tress. It gives the same finish. So you can look for those if you don't know how to find this. But I'll still put the link in the description below for this here. You also want to have your crochet needle because this is what you'll be using to loop the hair through to get it to wrap it around to come down. Now you also need your Eco Style gel to put around each part. I put it in the roots of my hair just to get it sleek and nice. And I also used my Ossion Hair Wax at the edges as well, just to, you know, make it smooth and nice. Now the video will show you all the visuals as to how I got it done, so stay tuned. The root edge control to, you know, keep it in. And now I'm going to add braids because I want to feel it when I'm wrapping the hair. I don't want to just be wrapping the regular hair, so I decided to add braids. So let's go. Oops. Alright, so we can stop right there. Then I'm going to add, oops. Then I'm going to add this in and wrap it. So let's go. Okay. Then we're going to turn up right here and use this and wrap it back to the top. Then we're going to continue to wrap it back to the top. Okay.